So this is weekend 2 of my challenge to ride all 13 Vëlosummer routes. And this is Velo via Norden, which starts in Twaalberges, meanders a bit northern reaches of Luxembourg up towards Vampish, and then heads down to Vilvervilt, with a visit to Clairvaux along the way. Allez, 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 allez. Okay, Velo via Norden is in the books. It's in the books for you too, right, Adam?
Exactly.
Exactly. Next up tomorrow is Velo Vesten meets Beach Trip. Sunny day, huh? Sunny day. This is some liquidy sunshine here. Hey man, how's it going? Yeah, crazy day.
Yeah.
Fight on, man.
And you shouted it up.
Okay. Ah, what's a little rain? It's not like we're made of sugar. Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah. Coffee number 2 here in Uzeldange Castle. Wow. Okay, so this is Beach Drift in Besdorf. I got another ride in too. So I'm in Bacherange, and this is the start of the Velo over Kap und Dal route, which means over hill and valley. I think here comes a dal. Oh yeah, it's a dal. I love the cops because they give you the dolls. So week 2 of Mike's Vëlosummer challenge is history. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've completed 6 of the 13 tours. So this weekend, it's going to be Velo via Norden C2. Now that's the long one, the Queen stage. And something down here, maybe this one or this one or this one. I hope to see you out there. Till next time, Addy ciao, tip top.
And you shouted it up.
Okay.